Welcome back to Zik, the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove passkey on TikTok. So, first thing you have to do is open up your TikTok app, right? And before you do this, you make sure the account you logged into is actually the one you want to change. You want to remove its passkey, right? So after confirming it, you click on where it says profile below your screen, and this is my profile. And the next thing you have to do is actually click on these three horizontal lines right above your screen. Click on that, and you're going to see settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy, and you click on account. And after that, you can see where it says passkey right here. So you click on your passkey, and what you need to do next is click on this trash bin right here. So once you click on that, you'll be able to remove your passkey. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.